Hey, what's up there, guys? Gonna go ahead and do the AC recharge on a 2008 Honda Odyssey. It's just blowing out warm air now. Got the temperature inside the vehicle set to low, but it's blowing out warm air. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. The fans are kicking on. And that's a good thing. So just checking to make sure that all is working properly. The fans down here, they're spinning and it kicks in. And the AC is supposed to be kicking in, the fans are going. And the compressor, I don't know if we can get down there, but that's the compressor right there. And it's turning. So we're good to go. Outside temperature is 88 degrees, so we're going to go ahead and start getting this going with the low side port. You got your high side, which is this guy, and you got your low side. I've been taking that off. Got your little L there. So this just goes on the low side port. We'll go ahead and cinch that in, boy. Engine is real hot. Texas day out here. It's getting pretty warm, but we'll go ahead and get that little guy on there. I'm burning my hand off over here, but this little guy here set to 85 because it is 88 degrees out here. So then we'll do it in short bursts. No, it doesn't like that. It's not on all the way. Let's try that again. Okay, yeah, I locked it in place a little bit better there. Here we go. We've got, we want to check there, showing that we are low. So all good. We'll go ahead little by little. And I'm just turning the can. Can's getting cool. Okay, and then as you can see with just the little bits I've got going on in there, starting to fill into the green range here. So the air coming off the engine is hot. Very hot under here right now. I'm burning up. But now I'm just doing this one-handed. But I'm just doing it in short bursts. Getting it up in there. Gonna get the high side of the green range in between the two arrows. So you can see the two red arrows there. I have to stop for a minute. It's getting pretty hot. My hand is feeling all this heat here. Then getting there about halfway. Short bursts. Shaking it up a little bit. Yeah. Getting a little higher than the midpoint. I don't want to go all the way to the red line. I don't know how easy it would be to overfill this, and I don't want to find out. I heard that can be a pretty big bill. But I'm just past halfway, I believe. We'll go ahead and see if we have a difference in the cabin. And we do. Yeah, we do. We got nice cool air coming out again. Cold air, basically. Yeah, that's much better. So we're getting there. I think it could be, it's a little bit cooler on this side than it is on this side, actually. I'm sorry, it's a little bit cooler on this side than it is this side. So I wonder if maybe we do need to fill it up a little bit more. We'll go ahead and try that a little bit more. See if our pressure's holding. Okay, so just finishing the job here. I had to turn my iPhone off because, or it actually shut off because it was too hot. It shut off and gave me a little triangle sign. So, but got it all done. I went ahead and checked inside the cabin, and the air was blowing out really nice and cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that little guy off. We're gonna get the cap back on. And we are done. We've got cold air back in there. Didn't need this extra can, and I don't buy anything super fancy. Got this stuff at AutoZone, and we are good to go. So I appreciate you guys watching. Nice and easy, simple thing to do with this AC recharge. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to hit me up on the comments below, and I'll definitely answer you. Thanks so much, guys.